Alright, engaging the system. Good evening.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to Gray Shot Down. I'm Gray Shot Down on the sticks alongside Doc on Sci-Fi behind the wheel. We're going to take you on another full self-driving 11.4.7 aerial perspective.
Go. So we got some new speed humps coming up.
No kidding. We're going to get a full experience of this today.
So I think I'm going to probably manually take it over those because they are pretty intense.
For sure.
How's the wind up there?
A bit windy.
Doing okay?
Yeah, hanging in there.
Let me know.
If you guys are liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps the crazy YouTube algorithm, and I greatly appreciate it.
We're getting into the burr months.
Yeah, no kidding.
The weather is quite burr. Alright, it does not see it, so I'm going to
Slow down for us.
slow down for us.
I tried it.
I have to take RC at about
Yeah, these
9,
speed
so
humps
that was
are
about
insane.
6 or 7.
Yeah, these speed humps are insane.
And there's, as our viewers can see, our community decided to put them every, 20 feet?
Yeah, our lovely HOA, as you can see, has these 8-mile-an-hour speed humps
And a 25-mile-an-hour zone.
and 25-mile-an-hour zones.
Granted, does it solve the problem of speeding? Yes, but only in these little areas.
Gosh, I haven't been through here. There's a ton of these.
Oh yeah, no, these keep going. I think we have 3 more.
Are you serious?
In this area. Then there's another section of them on the other side.
Yeah, this is ridiculous.
And they're only halfway done installing these.
Yeah, this is ridiculous.
Yeah, I would not recommend going more than
Driving this way.
8.
Or just straight up driving this way.
The sad thing is sometimes you have to drive this way.
Sorry, my hands were freezing.
That's fine. I just need to keep an eye on where we're going.
Seeming as how we were only doing 8 miles an hour over these. Ridiculous things. God, these are awful. Oh my God, these are awful.
I thought it was just the one.
No.
I didn't realize that they had
awful.
literally just put them all in a row in one area.
These are awful.
Right? And then you can just speed through this area. I don't think that really solves anything.
Well, I mean, I hope to God they're not going to be putting more through this area.
No, but they are. They said they're not done. They're halfway done with installing.
Jesus.
That's a fun question for our viewers. If you live in an HOA, what is the most interesting decision your HOA has ever made for your community?
Yeah, no kidding.
Comment down below. Alright, does it take this turn really quickly? Because mine takes this turn at a lightning speed. No, it does not. Alright, can we make it across? Can't see. As in, you're fine. I got it. Okay, go. No comment. Good job. Give it a little up tap to encourage it. But I handled it well. It
Yeah.
stopped, then it slowly crept forward. I'm curious when we go back and watch that if it saw the human way back there.
Oh, yeah. I just saw him on my screen. Wait till it's a little bit.
Another busy intersection. Can't really see. Good. Good. Excellent.
Excellent. Wilson's a lot like lightning today, in a sense that if it warns you once about something, it'll warn you multiple times. So, like,
Yeah. Are you doing okay?
yeah, no, it's
Okay.
just the wind. Is all
Yeah.
it is. It's just giving me a wind warning.
Well, and it's trying to rain too on top of all that.
You can't really see that from like up here,
Yeah,
and I had a feeling it wouldn't be a problem.
that's good. All right. I don't want to run over the can, so let's avoid that. And cannot see from how far back we stopped. No, don't go. Sorry. I'd re-engage, but I don't know if I trust it.
You got a car behind you.
I know, so I'm just gonna. I can't go, so. Alright, here we go. Alright. Slow for this turn because this is a sharp turn. There we go. And there's something in the road, so we're gonna avoid it. Not its fault. Flattened soccer ball. Yeah, I say that that's a pretty common disengagement is the like going, like creeping out too far, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Like where you're already in traffic or you're impeding traffic. All right, coming up on our ending.
Well, you guys, if you are liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm Gray Shot Down alongside Doggone Sci-Fi. Thanks for joining us.
Mm-hmm. All right, here we go.
Probably would have turned in for you.
Oh, I'm so used to it not doing that. And let me find us a parking spot.